How does $2 million in retirement sound to you? Pretty good, huh? Well, in this video, I will not only explain how you will become a multi-millionaire, but also how you will never run out of money in retirement and hold on to and actually increase that 2 million until you go to a better place. You can leave $2 million for your kids, family, friends, donations to charity, anything you want. The method we will be using is a Roth IRA. This gives you the benefit of paying $0 in tax on your withdrawals at the age of 59 and a half. If you invest into an S&P 500 tracking index fund, it will cover 11 US sectors and track the top 500 US companies, instantly offering you great diversification. The average rate of return has historically been 10%. I suggest VOO or IVV because they have low expense ratios. Now we will be using a calculator to estimate your portfolio value at the age of 60, assuming you are 25. If you're not 25, then basically add 35 years to your current age for this video to make sense. Starting with $0 and maximizing your contributions to your IRA each year over 35 years, you will have put in $273,500 but earned $1,785,314 in interest. This will put you comfortably at over $2 million. Now for the next exciting step, you can withdraw 4.6% of this money and practically never run out, assuming you don't live to be the world's oldest person. We will assume you increase withdrawals by 3% each year to adjust for inflation, and we will go with a more conservative appreciation rate on your money at 7% in retirement. Your first year, you will withdraw over $95,000, and by year 30, you will be withdrawing about $228,000. Oh, and I can't forget to mention, by year 30, your $2 million has become $3 million. Please like and subscribe if you learned something new or found this video interesting. Click on the video on the screen if you want to learn how much you need to invest to live off of dividends alone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video where I will cover a combination method of a taxable brokerage account with a Roth IRA to retire even earlier with the same results. As I was preparing this video, I reached a huge milestone of 1,000 subscribers. Thank you all so much, and please stick around because I'll have some great stuff coming soon.